Hi, this is Melody. Today I'm going to show you a special tea which my great grandma made, and she lived till 106 and then she died in her sleep, and she lived a very happy, healthy, prosperous life, and she had 10 children. No problem. Her last child was born at age 51, so you can see how healthy she was. Now this is her tea recipe which I acquired from her. From it was passed on to the generations. So what's in this tea, what's in this magical tea which kept her happy, healthy, vibrant throughout her life? So in this tea I have turmeric, and then I have star anise. Just everything take a little like in a teaspoon, just pinch your teaspoon. So I have star anise, and I have cloves, and I have cardamom seeds. You can take cardamom, the green ones, the whole. Bay leaves, I just broke them into two pieces to get out the oil from the bay leaves. And I have black pepper. And for milk, you're going to use either oat milk or almond milk or coconut milk or regular milk, whatever milk you like. And to this, at the end, you're going to add cinnamon sprinkle on top, and you're going to add ½ inch of crushed ginger while you're boiling this. So first you gather all your ingredients in a pan, then you put your 1 cup of milk, and then you boil it and stir it in the medium heat for 5 minutes, and then you turn off the oven and let it steep for 5 minutes. Then you drink it. So the end product, at the end, after you put it in a cup, you're going to sprinkle a dash of cinnamon. Okay, so it's a very simple recipe, and all these herbs and the spices added to it has tremendous health benefits. That's what kept her happy, healthy, vibrant throughout her life. So I'm just going to show you, but this is best to be drank before sleeping because it relaxes your entire body. So now I put it in medium heat. You see the heat is medium, and now we're going to stir it continuously for 5 minutes until it boils, and then we're just going to pour it in a cup and sit down and relax and enjoy the wonderful tea. So when I pour it in the cup, sit down to enjoy, I'll show you. So this is the final product, and when I pour it in the cup, I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon. So this is my wonderful tea milk, and I'm just going to enjoy it. And this tea milk keeps people happy, healthy, prosperous, abundant. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with me.